What's happening, people? Back with another reaction, back with some more Flock of Seagulls, and we're going back to Dream Come True, 1986. And the next track is Hot Tonight. It sounds like romantic passion, maybe physical intimacy. I suppose it could just be burning it up out on the town, on the dance floor, but it makes me think that even if those aspects are relevant, it likely will relate to chemistry and heat between people, so let's see what I can catch on a first listen. This is the Flock of Seagulls. The track is Hot Tonight, and it's from their 1986 album, Dream Come True. I like this intro. Oh. That snare. crescendo, like hard ending, or it's gonna start to fade right now. Like literally, as I had that thought, it started to fade. I don't know. Like it sounds very different from the early stuff, the self-titled album, for example. But that's awesome. That's one of my favorite songs by them sonically. Like just that lead in, the string work, which I again assume is synth strings, if I can order the letters in my brain. But there were some cool keyboard flourishes. I liked some of the vocals in particular. There was like an extension that was sort of behind a lot of what was going on near the end. The guitar in the opening was wicked and fantastic. That was just a really cool tune sonically. And as I think I said during, when it would go into that, I guess, post-chorus, like stripped down section, or maybe that was the chorus itself, I enjoyed that as a contrast. Like I enjoyed the full sound, again, where you got those like string crescendos, but I like how it was offset against those stripped down segments, or relatively stripped down. Still a lot going on, still some big sounds. But comparatively stripped down. And the snare drum, the smashing snare drum the whole time. So sonically, one of my favorites from them. I feel like on some level it was sort of what I was thinking. And he's saying, don't tell me that you don't love me. And he's feeling this heat, he's feeling the connection, his heart is beating. But he's also saying like, his mom told him this and his dad told him this, and I guess the message was you gotta have faith, and so don't give up on something, keep working for it, and if it's meant to be, so to speak, maybe it'll continue to happen. But yeah, it seems like there was a setting, like whether it's the city or indeed the dance floor, I'm not quite sure, but it felt like there were more moving parts than I expected, but still sort of running in the direction I predicted. But yeah, again, very different from early Seagulls, and I remember, I think it was Solo, maybe one or two others, saying like that's kind of why they didn't really work later in their career compared to what people had come to know and expect from them. But yeah, if I heard that on the radio in '86, I would have been young, but I would have been like, oh man, that's really cool. Like, is there a cassette tape I can get? So yeah, curious to hear what people think about this one. Let me know, and I will see you next time. Peace.